In this video, I show you how to fix YouTube is not supported on this device problem on smart TV or Android TV. For fixing this problem, go to your settings, then go to device preference, then go to about, then go to system update. Now update your TV if available any update. Check for update. Then go back. Then click on apps. Then click on see all apps. Now find out YouTube app. Click on YouTube. Click on force stop. Click on OK. Now click on uninstall update. OK. Then click on clear data. OK. Now go back. Now open YouTube app. Now I hope that this method fix YouTube is not supported on this device. If this method not working, then you can use smart TV app. This app working on any Android or smart TV. We can now I hope that this method fix YouTube is not supported on this device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.